Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another plan with me, a weekly one. This is for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. Wow, where is this month going? I'm continuing on with my Harry Potter month. The first week of September I used my wizard kit, and then last week I used my very first ever kit from Station Stickers with the foiling on it, and I think it turned out really well. I actually ended up liking it. I was not a huge fan of foiling at first, but it's growing on me. But this kit is from my shop. It's still available, and you can also get house-specific kits for each house that you're in. This is called House of Knowledge. I am a Ravenclaw, so that is why I have this one. I think it's kind of fitting since I'm a teacher that I'm in Ravenclaw, but yeah. Oh, and before we get too far into this, I want to make a disclaimer, as I always do this time of year. My window is open because it's too hot to have it closed, so if you hear any like noise or anything, background noise, cars, that's why. I've also pulled out some things from other shops. These are from Planting Roses. These are from Sweet Choir Design. I have some Fox and Cactus, and these are from The Beautiful Mess. And then I have my little like sticker book that has all like my little samplers in them that I have extras of that I can pull from. I am using something new. I am pre-planning on these weekly goals sheets that I got a whole big pad with like some matching pens and stuff from my friend April. She owns a Pumpkin Parcel on Etsy, so go check her out. She has these gorgeous bows and like tulle ones, and she has like every washi ever known to man like up there. It's awesome, so you should go check her out. But I've been using these because it kind of like lets me not only have like my week, like everything there, like what kind of goals do I have set for that week, so I like that. So let's just get into this and start planning our week. So like I always do, I'm going to start with my bottom washi. I think I'm going to do the full washi because again, I'm working right now, so it kind of tends to not need as much space, which is kind of nice because then I don't have to cut this down, but it doesn't bother me. I'm just doing the arm trick, which is you just take the sticker and put it on your arm. Gets it a little bit dirty so that if you need to move it, you can move it pretty easily. I also, the paper that I use, which is this like iridescent paper, the stickers don't really stick to it. I mean, they stick, obviously, like, but they don't, it gives up. Like, if I need to go back and move something, I can take it off, like, see, without, oh, you can't see. This is from earlier, it's from a week ago. I can take it off if I need to, which is kind of nice. And I got this paper on Amazon, and I have a link down below if you want to buy it yourself. They have it in different colors too, but I really like this like pearl color. Okay, so let's put in our full boxes. I'm just gonna be doing it kind of like I've been doing the last couple of weeks, just kind of the traditional way of planning, like you would if you had an Erin Condren and you had the middle section. I've been enjoying putting them in the middle because in the morning I'm really just doing work. And so I kind of like to fill up that with work, and then like whatever things are, like if it's payday or if I have a bill due, I can put that up there. And then at the bottom, I kind of think of that as like everything I do after work. So yeah, I am going to do, it's about middle. I should have gotten the glitter headers. So instead, actually, I'm going to take these Today headers, which I don't tend to use that often. FYI, this kit is from the before my format change. It was like literally one of the last ones before I did a format change on the kits. So it is 5 pages, whereas kits now are 6 pages. Yeah. So, because they now include our date covers as part of the standard. It used to be an add-on, and now I just had so many people buying them and asking for them to be like included that I was like, okay, you can still buy them separately, like if you're a personal planner and you like buying the personal sized kits, which are smaller, then because those are only 2 pages, then you can buy the date headers separately, or date covers. So, okay, back to these. So I'm going to do gray, blue, gray, blue, gray, blue. So, and I think I'm going to do like, actually, I think I want to do this one first. Why is this not healing up the way I wanted it to? There we go. So then we'll do blue. This may not work the way I was thinking it was going to work. So now I have to put that one. This is not going to work. Okay. So maybe we'll do, hold on. Marble, glitter, flat, marble, glitter, flat. Nope, that won't work either. I really just don't want to put these two by each other, so I'm going to go back to a marble. And then I'm going to do this glitter for Thursday. And Friday, I kind of want to put her on the back. There's also a deco page that goes with each of these. I should have printed it out for myself, and I didn't. I was thinking, oh, I don't need that. Does that look? Yeah, I'm going to put her on the back. Don't really want, there's already so much glitter on the front. Oh well. We're going to have 2 pieces of glitter paper right next to each other. It'll be fine. Friday's going to be busy, so it'll probably end up getting covered. Because I have so much stuff going on. And as you'll see, I get out of work really early, so I can do more. And I'm really excited. We actually get the next 2 Fridays off early, which is a little weird to me, but I'll take it. Oops. Hard to line this up sometimes. There will be new releases this week. If you aren't in the Facebook group, you should go be in the Facebook group, because there are always sneak peeks. They've already gotten sneak peeks for both the kits of what they're going to look like. They're going to be the last of my fall kits for this season, and then I'm going to start moving into winter and Christmas kits, which seems crazy because it's not even October yet, but you know, I gotta be ahead of the game. Also, another reason to be part of the Facebook group is it's just fun. But anyways, I am doing new releases this week. I've switched, now that school is back in session, to every 2 weeks basically. So twice a month there are new releases, and it just works out better for me, because I can plan with work and everything like that. And yeah, that's just how we roll now. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm just going to put the work stickers down. I don't work on Wednesday because we have that off. It's a Jewish holiday. So I'm just going to put these right down in the middle. Work. Work. We have not had a full 5-day week of school yet. Next week will be that. Let's see. Okay, so Tuesday is payday. So I'm going to grab this sticker for that. New releases are on Friday. I'm going to leave a little room because I want to put that I get out early. Let's see. And Friday, there is a bill due the 22nd, which is Saturday. I actually put that I wanted to pay it on Friday. I think I'm going to put that I want to pay it on Thursday just because it is better. Oh, I'm going to grab my little checklist boxes. They're like individual ones. And grab this one. I'm going to make these in different colors very soon. So let me know. I really like these. They're just fun and they're like faux glitter on there. Friday, I want to go for a bicycle ride since I'm getting out so early. I would like to go for a bike ride. So I'm just going to put it there, but I'm not going to write anything down just in case that doesn't happen. I mean, I can always cover it up, but yeah. And then these are from The Beautiful Mess, and they are just really cute stickers for planning. And I'm just going to put that there for Sunday so I can plan out that, which will be another, it'll be my last one. It's also a Ravenclaw kit, but from a different shop. Okay, so I kind of want to put down the weekend banner. I like never put down the weekend banner, but I like this one. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but it's really pretty. I'm gonna just stick it right down the middle there. Oh, I didn't do my sidebar. Sheesh. Here I am, I'm like, oh, I'm done. No, Melissa, you're not. You are not done. You are by no means done. Okay. So I'm going to layer this work sticker over this plain piece of washi. This is where I like to keep track of what I do for Etsy. I ended up not doing that last week, really, just because between work and being sick, I really didn't do much because I just physically was not feeling like it. What else? I'm missing something. My sidebar. I still haven't done my sidebar. Sheesh. Okay, so I need my meals and my little things, or not little things, my trackers. So, supper. And you can hear someone's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, what do you call it? Their radio. Good thing I'm almost done with this because my brain is not able to function any longer. Suppers. Another piece of washi. We'll use the gray one this time. We'll put the blue at the bottom. Like this. My neighbor's coming home and he keeps dropping his keys. It's kind of funny. Okay. So, there is my week. I think it looks really cute. Comment below what house you are in. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.